welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to apply lashes. I have gotten a lot of requests and a lot of people asking me how I apply lashes, so I want to teach you step by step how to apply lashes. It is very easy. It's something that I feel like everyone can do. So if you guys want to keep watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's head on right into the video, guys. You're going to need an eyelash glue adhesive. This is going to be the glue that is going to stick your lash. And then also you're going to need a tweezer as well. Any tweezers, guys could purchase these tweezers on Amazon, Sally's, Rite Aid, Walgreens, all that great stuff. Any tweezers will be amazing. I feel like tweezers are very crucial when you are a beginner at putting lashes on, or if you are just struggling at putting lashes on. For the longest, when I started applying lashes, I was really bad. So it's okay if you guys don't get the hang of it right away. Just keep practicing. It took me a long time to learn how to apply lashes, but I got it down pack. If you do feel discouraged, keep trying, keep practicing, like put it on, take it off. I feel like that is what really helped me. And then lastly, what you're gonna need, which should have been the first thing, is lashes. My manager stuff, she got me this cute little lash container. These are really good for if you are a person who loses their lashes a lot. I feel like this is a must to have, because I know you buy so many lashes, they're very expensive, and then you lose them. You find them on your couch, you find them in your bathroom, you find them anywhere. I feel like this is really good to have. On Amazon, it's like $5 or $6. Don't lose their shape. I'm gonna like zoom you in un poquito, a little bit closer so you guys can see. So obviously my lashes are already cut, so I can't teach you how to cut them, but I could tell you what to do when you do get new lashes and you need to cut them. When you take them out, you don't want to pull them. You kind of want to go with like the side of your thumb and just like press it down, because if you pull them, you might mess them up and break them. And before you even put glue, I would suggest that you measure your lashes to your eye. You always want to have a little mirror in front of you, and for a beginner, I feel like a mirror is very important to have. So you want to measure it from the inner corner to your outer corner, like that, right? So whatever else is hanging, like whatever is like kind of like a little bit like that, you want to cut. And you would just apply the glue in the corner, inner and outer corner. That's where you want to apply most of the glue, because that's where, excuse me, that's where I feel like it lifts and it doesn't last the whole entire day. So you want to apply a little more towards the inner and the outer corner. You want to let it dry. I would say like 15 seconds and just let it dry, because if you go in right in with it, it's gonna start getting slippery and moving, and it's gonna mess up your makeup and you're gonna get discouraged. So I would suggest to let it dry for 15 seconds. If you do that, I like to get a mirror and I like to tilt my head back. You're going to see where your lashes start, and you're just gonna place it like that. So you're just gonna leave it like that for a little bit. You let it like sit, and then you could take your tweezers. You could connect it to the outer corner. Make sure you don't bring it too close to your inner corner, because it's going to start bothering you if you do. So now that we have that on, you are going to, but you want to blend your natural lashes with the falsies. So, and these lashes that I'm wearing are the House of Lashes in Iconic. So you want to do that. If you feel like you can't do that with the tweezers, you would go also with your fingers and kind of squish them together. Alright guys, so like I was saying, once the lashes are on, I normally take like around like 5 minutes, maybe less, to apply my lashes, just because I was teaching you guys. It probably took a little bit longer. Remember not to get discouraged. Remember to keep practicing. I feel like lashes are very tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you could definitely achieve it and apply your own lashes. So anyway guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Also hit that little bell notification to get notified when I upload. I am gonna be uploading Mondays and Wednesdays. See you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.